Good morning and welcome to Travel World Online. I am Anika, bringing you your daily brief of the latest updates from the travel, tourism and hospitality industries. Let's look at the top headlines today. Tamil Nadu Tourism welcomes Dr. V.P. Jayaseelan IAS as its new director. IRCTC rolls out 2 exclusive Bharat Gaurav spiritual train packages for July. Delhi government opens 75 heritage sites for public and corporate adoption. Radisson Hotel Group introduces massive app-only savings across India. Booking.com upgrades its corporate platform for Indian SMEs and startups. And Hyatt Regency Trivandrum appoints Sajid Sebastian to lead its commercial strategy. Now let's dive into the full details. A new chapter begins for Tamil Nadu tourism. Dr. V.P. Jayaseelan, a distinguished 2014 batch IAS officer, has officially taken charge as the new Director of Tourism and Managing Director of TTDC. Known for his grassroots, citizen-focused governance, his diverse leadership is expected to bring fresh energy and strategic growth to the state's booming tourism sector. Travel World Online extends our warmest congratulations. Planning a spiritual journey this July? IRCTC is launching 2 special Bharat Gaurav tourist train packages departing from Secunderabad. The first, a 10-day Ayodhya Kashi Yatra, kicks off on July 4th. The second, a 9-day Divya Dakshin Yatra, starts July 20th. These affordable, all-inclusive tours feature meals, security, and multiple boarding points across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Delhi is opening up 75 of its historic monuments for adoption under the Hamare Smarak Hamara Gaurav initiative. Public sectors, NGOs and universities can now step up as Monument Mitras to enhance visitor amenities for 5 years. Backed by up to 2 crore rupees in cabinet assistance, iconic sites like Mirza Ghalib's Haveli will see major scientific conservation. Great news for frequent flyers. Radisson Hotel Group has introduced app-only rates across India. By booking directly through the Radisson Hotels mobile app, guests can instantly save up to an extra 10%. Radisson Rewards members get an even bigger bonus, unlocking up to 23% in total savings alongside personalized perks. Booking.com has launched an upgraded corporate platform specifically tailored for Indian SMEs and startups. The revamped dashboard simplifies corporate travel by offering seamless GST-compliant invoicing, AI-powered expense tracking, and real-time itinerary monitoring. It's a massive boost for operational efficiency in India's fast-growing startup ecosystem. Moving south, Hyatt Regency Trivandrum has appointed hospitality veteran Sajid Sebastian as its new Director of Sales and Marketing. With nearly 20 years of commercial experience across major luxury brands, Sebastian will drive the hotel's expansion strategy. Into lucrative corporate, destination wedding, and high-end MISE segments. And that's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Travel World Online for the latest and most exclusive updates from the travel trade. This is Anika, signing off. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.